Hello and welcome back, Java enthusiasts. In today's video, we have an exciting lineup of GUI components to explore. We'll be diving into the world of Java GUI programming and taking a closer look at three important components: Checkbox, combobox, and Radio button. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use these components effectively in your Java applications. So, without further ado, let's get started. To begin, let's create a new Java project in your favorite IDE. Once you have your project set up, we can start coding. First, we'll import the necessary packages. Add the following code at the top of your file. Now we have to create constructor and set the size for JFrame. Great! Now, let's focus on the Checkbox component. In this example, we'll create a simple GUI with a checkbox. We want the checkbox to trigger an action when selected or deselect. Now you have to add an action listener. Run this program, and you'll see a frame with a checkbox. When the checkbox is selected, it shows selected on the screen, and when deselect, it shows not selected. Now, let's move on to the next component, combobox. A combobox allows users to select an item from a drop-down list. We'll create a combobox with a list of programming languages, and the selected language will be displayed when a button is pressed. Now we have to make an array of programming languages. In here we have to pass that array to combobox object. Now we are making an object for button. Okay, so inside our constructor we will set the bounds combo box, and then we will add the combo box to our frame. We also have to set bounds for our button, and we will add that button to the frame. As you can see, combo box and a button is added to our frame. Now you have to add an action listener for our button to trigger an action. Run the program, and you'll see a frame with a combo box containing a list of programming languages. When you click the Show button, a message dialog will appear, displaying the selected language. Lastly, let's explore the J radio button component. Radio buttons allow users to select only one option from a group of choices. Let's create a GUI with 3 radio buttons representing different colors. First, create objects for 3J radio button. Now, we need to group these radio buttons together so that the user can select only one option at a time. By creating a button group and adding the radio buttons to it, we ensure that only one option can be selected within the group. Now set the bounds for radio buttons. Here we are adding radio button to frame. And that's it. We have successfully created a J-frame with J-radio buttons. The user can now choose a single option from the group. Remember, you can customize the appearance, layout, and behavior of J-radio buttons to suit your specific needs. Explore the various properties and methods available to further enhance your GUI applications. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Java tutorials.